What's going on, PAP Nation? As of today, ResMed has just changed its warranty on the ResMed Airsense 10. If you guys are on this device, I'm going to tell you what you need to know. And also, if you have a problem with this device, I'm going to show you the most common problems that we've seen over the last 7 years where you guys are going to be able to keep your device without having to send it in. Stay tuned. I'm going to get right into it. First and foremost, in the past, ResMed has replaced these units typically when they've come in for warranty repair. That's what we found out over the last 7 years. As of today, you're going to have to send in your device for repair, and I don't know how long that is supposed to take, and I'm going to tell you the most common problems that I've seen over the last 7 years where people have brought this in for either replacement or warranty repair, and we're able to fix this right away. So the most common issues we've seen over the last 7 years are power cord issues where the machine's face goes completely black. Item number 370001, that's a power cord, around $65. We've sold many of those throughout the years where that is a quick fix for a completely blacked out screen. And the other most common warranty repair we've seen is breakage on the back end, where most people who use slimline tubing have pulled too hard, where they break that back plastic piece, and that is easily replaceable. That is part number 37310. That is a $10 part. This piece comes out, goes to the side, so if you're getting leakage or you break this plastic piece in the back, those are two easy quick fixes. I would say 9 times out of 10 in the past 7 years, those have been the two most common issues where you don't have to waste your time sending in your ResMed Airsense 10 for warranty repair. I expect because of that, if there's enough units that go in for repair, there may be delays. So the sooner you can get on your PAP therapy by doing it yourself, the better. But I just wanted to update you on the warranty. Also, I wanted to update you on the two most common problems. Just like in my last video, if you guys can get your hands on an Airsense 10, it has been a workhorse for the last 7 years. Absolutely great machine. Please hit subscribe. That's it. God bless you guys. Sleep well.